We're ESTV and I'm out and about for Book Week. The Big Read is where everyone drops everything and starts reading wherever they want within the school. Let's go check out some of the interesting places that people picked to read this year. One of the most enjoyed events by both teachers and students is the mystery reader. Each class gets a different member of staff to read to them, and the identity of this person is a mystery until they walk through the door. This is another highlight of Book Week, as the students here are always eager to learn more about writing, and these visits also inspire many of us. It's Friday and it's the last day of the week, but also the last day of Book Week. One of the biggest events and also one of the most popular is the parade. So what are you dressed up as?
I'm dressed up as Julius Caesar.
Oh, I really like that blue cape. How long did it take you to make it?
We bought it.
Oh, and what was your inspiration for this?
This book?
Hi, Emily. I see you're dressed up as the Titanic.
Yes.
So it's a really cool outfit. Where did you get your inspiration from?
From a film that I watched maybe 4 weeks ago.
Cool, and I can see that you made it yourself. How long did it take?
2 weeks from every night.
Did your parents help you or did you make it all
My
yourself?
parents helped me.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Hi, Femi. I'm guessing you're dressed up as a classic SJI student.
Yes, I am.
So what was your inspiration for this?
Well, I thought that I should be more supportive of SJI, and I just decided to wear an SJI outfit because, yeah,
Oh, and how long did it take you to make this amazing costume?
not long.
And what's been your favorite part of Book Week so far?
Well, I really liked the when another teacher came in to read for us. My teacher was Lao Shi.
Hi, Miss Russell. Let me guess, are you Mother Teresa?
I am Mother Teresa, well guessed.
I really like your outfit, so where did you get your inspiration from?
Well, this outfit was made by a very creative parent, and it was to help with the grade 3 IPC unit and significant people, but it suited me so well, I just thought I should wear it again today for Book Week.
I really like the blue velvet on your dress. Do you know how long it took to make?
I'm not sure, but I think it may be considerably a good few hours. But this is like the habit that Mother Teresa and her sisters wore. So she started the order, and this is identical to the habit that her and her community wore.
Hi, Mrs. Matt.
Hi.
So what is Book Week?
So Book Week at SJI is a celebration of all things reading. It's a way that we share our love of books and we celebrate it with everyone in our community.
I really, really like your outfit.
Thank you.
Did you make it yourself?
I didn't make it myself. I grabbed my baking utensils. I threw on my pretty dirty apron this morning. So no, I didn't make it myself.
Was there any inspiration behind this?
Well, the theme this year is Discover the World. It's non-fiction, and my favourite non-fiction books to read are baking books and cookbooks. So that was the inspiration behind it this year.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I'm Lenna and I've been out and about for Book Week. And on behalf of ESTV, thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon. Well, I'm Lenna and I've been out and about for Book Week. And on behalf of ESTV, thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.
Ta-da! These missiles. Woo!